Hello friends, welcome back to the class. In this video we are going to discuss about 4n plus 2 pi cycloaddition reactions, and that is called the best example is Diels-Alder reaction. So this video about frontier molecular orbital theory. So now friends, here to explain the Diels-Alder reaction using FMO theory, first we have to write the reaction. Diene react with dienophile, going to give a cyclic transition state. This transition state leads to formation of product cyclohexene. So we are discussing about thermal condition. So friends, if you want to explain yes right the FMO theory, first you have to write this is called donor molecule, where this is called acceptor molecule. So why we are calling donor? Here we have more pi electrons can donate to this molecule, where this has less pi electrons, that's why it can take the electrons. So that's why friends, always the dienophiles have electron withdrawing groups, where dienes have electron donating groups, because diene always acts as donor. Okay, so the ground state electronic configuration of donor is 1,3 butadiene is nothing but psi12, psi22, psi30, psi40. So here what is HOMO? Obviously psi2. So ground state HOMO of donor is psi2. So this is the molecular orbital. So you can see psi2 one node is present, that node present exactly in the middle of the orbital. So now write the ground state electronic configuration of ethylene, that is acceptor molecule, psi12, psi20. So what is LUMO here? The ground state LUMO is obviously psi2. So psi2 is this one. So friends, to explain FMO theory, so first we are going to start supra mode of addition 4 pi s plus 2 pi s. That's why we are taking psi2 molecular orbital of 1,3 butadiene. So this is from ground state. So diene psi2, that is nothing but HOMO of 1,3 butadiene. Let's take the psi2 molecular orbital from dienophile. So this is psi2 of ethylene. The molecular orbital you can also say LUMO. So now here friends, this pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, and you can see 2 pi partner also undergoing supra mode of addition. That's why I am selecting the bottom side lobes here. Here I am selecting top side lobes, because this is undergoing supra mode of addition, it is also undergoing supra mode of addition. Now connect these two lobes, yes, and again connect these two lobes. Check the interaction here, plus interacted with plus, bonding interaction, minus interacted with minus, again bonding interaction. Therefore, for 4 pi 2 pi cycloaddition, supra mode of addition is giving bonding interaction. So that's why supra is thermally allowed. Next let us take 4 pi s plus 2 pi a. First pi partner, that is diene undergoing this is a psi2 HOMO, this is psi2 LUMO of ethylene. The first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, second one is undergoing antra mode of addition. So first is undergoing supra mode of addition, I am selecting bottom side lobes, and this is undergoing antra mode of addition, I am taking opposite side lobes. Now connect these two, yes, again you connect these two, right. So he check the interaction here, bonding, here minus plus, therefore anti bonding. That means under thermal condition supra antra giving anti bonding interaction. So that's why supra antra is forbidden under thermal condition. Again you take the antra supra mode of addition. So diene, so psi2 of 1,3 butadiene, psi2 of ethylene. This pi partner is undergoing antra mode of addition. This pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition. So that's why friends, what we are going to do, Here you select this molecular this lobe and this lobe. Why? It is undergoing anthra mode of addition. We are selecting opposite side lobes. Here this is undergoing supra mode of addition. That's why we are taking same side lobes. Now connect those two. Yes. Here plus interaction bonding, minus plus is anti-bonding. Therefore, under thermal condition, anthra supra giving anti-bonding interaction. That's why anthra supra is thermally forbidden. So the last one, anthra mode of addition. The first pi partner undergoing anthra mode of addition, second pi partner undergoing anthra mode of addition. So for that, what we are going to use, you see, so here I am selecting these two lobes, opposite side lobes. Here also I am selecting opposite side lobes. That means, so here these two are connected and here these two are connected. What we got there? So obviously we got bonding interaction, plus interaction, plus interaction. Anthra mode of addition giving bonding interaction, therefore it is allowed. So next, this is about the thermal condition. Thermally, what are the allowed? So the first one is allowed, supra is allowed, and anthra also allowed. So thermally, these are allowed. The remaining are forbidden. Supra, anthra, supra are forbidden. Okay. So now let us see photochemical condition. So you have to take, right, a HOMO from donor, that is from first excited state. So let's write the electronic configuration of 1,3 butadiene under first excited state. So Psi12, Psi21, Psi31, Psi40. Here HOMO is Psi3. So now, so for acceptor, you have to take the LUMO from ground state only. That's why you write the electronic configuration from, right, ground state Psi12, Psi20, and the LUMO is Psi2. So this is LUMO. So you can see, friends, this is Psi3. Two nodes are present. One node present here. One node present here. So now let's start the supra mode of addition. You select the, yes, Psi3. Just I am taking reversely, friends. No problem. Here also you can see one node, two nodes. Okay, this is diene Psi3 HOMO from first excited state, and this is dienophile Psi2 from ground state. Now supra mode of addition, that means first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, second pi partner also undergoing supra mode of addition. So here I am selecting these two lobes, because this pi partner is supra mode of addition, connect these two and connect these two. So this is plus interaction, plus minus interaction. This is anti-bonding interaction. Therefore, supra mode of addition is giving anti-bonding interaction. That's why supra is forbidden under photochemical condition. Next, we are taking supra anthra. So supra anthra. So this pi partner is Psi3, that is HOMO of donor from first excited state, and LUMO from ground state of acceptor. The first pi partner undergoing supra mode of addition, second pi partner undergoing anthra mode of addition. So that's why I am selecting the bottom side lobes. Here I am selecting opposite side lobes. So now connect these two, okay, and connect these two. Yes, check the interaction, plus bonding interaction, plus bonding interaction. So supra anthra giving bonding interaction. So bonding interaction is always allowed. So now anthra supra mode of addition, that means reverse. So diene undergoing anthra mode of addition, dienophile is undergoing supra mode of addition. So for that, what you are going to do here, yes, here I am going to select this, okay, and this one here, you see. So these are supra mode of addition, opposite side lobes, therefore antra mode of addition, connect these two. Now connect these two. What is happened? Right, plus plus interaction, minus minus interaction, that is bonding. So that's bonding interaction is allowed. That's why antra supra mode of addition is also photochemically allowed. The last one, friends, yes, antra antra addition. So diene and dienophile, yes, the first pi partner undergoing antra mode of addition, second pi partner is also undergoing antra mode of addition. You see, so we connected these two, so that's why I'm going to select this one and this one here, this one and this one. You connect these two, yes. So what happened, friends? Minus interacted with minus, okay, bonding, but here plus interacted with minus, anti-bonding interaction. Supra's antra antra mode of addition is giving anti-bonding interaction, that's why it is forbidden. So what is the final conclusion, friends? Supra supra and antra antra are forbidden under photochemical condition. So these are not going to takes place. So what are allowed? Supra mode of addition, supra antra, antra supra are allowed. So these are allowed. So under photochemical condition. So now let's write the Woodward-Hoffmann selection rules. Yes, cycloaddition, mode of addition, allowed, forbidden. So again, friends, it is very easy to remember the concept. So CMO theory tells us Diels-Alder reaction allowed under Dermally. So Dermally means supra supra mode of addition allowed under Dermally. So 4n plus to supra supra mode of addition is allowed under Dermally. So when supra supra thermally allowed, antra antra also thermally allowed. The remaining are photochemically allowed. You can see. Yes. Yes, friends. You can see. Supra supra is thermally allowed. Antra antra is thermally allowed. The Diels-Alder reaction is a thermal reaction. That's why supra supra mode of addition is always takes place at a thermal condition. So the remaining are photochemical condition reactions. These are hypothetical. So supra supra is thermally allowed. Automatically antra antra also thermally allowed. Friends, this is about yes, FMO theory of Diels-Alder reaction. Thank you.